guys, and thank you for joining us. I'm Benicio, and today I'm going to talk about Red Cross here in the Canary Islands, especially in our province, Santa Cruz de Tenerife. But first, I would like to challenge you to answer some questions. What is the Red Cross? What do we do? The Red Cross, or International Red Cross, is the common name for the international movement of the Red Cross and the Red Crescent, a global humanitarian organization founded in February 17, 1863 by the Swiss Henri Dunant. We are a humanitarian organization with no links to any government. We try to make life better for vulnerable and deprived people. We endeavor to make the world a better place. Do you know which are the fundamental principles that guide our organization? There are 7. Humanity. To prevent and alleviate human suffering, wherever it may be found. Its purpose is to protect life and health, and to ensure respect for the human being. It promotes mutual understanding, friendship, cooperation, and lasting peace amongst all peoples. Impartiality. It makes no discrimination as to nationality, race, religious belief, class, or political opinions. Neutrality. In order to continue to enjoy the confidence of all, the movement may not take sides in hostilities or engage at any time controversies of a political, racial, religious, or ideological nature. Independence. We maintain our autonomy so that we may be able at all times to act in accordance with the principle of the movement. Voluntary service. It's a voluntary relief movement, not prompt in any manner by desire for gain. Volunteering connects people, helps you make new friends and contacts, increases your social and relationship skills, and it's good for your mind and body. Increases self-confidence, strengthens mental health, and helps you stay physically fit. Unity. There can be only one Red Cross or one Red Crescent society in any one country. It must be open to all. It must carry on its humanitarian work throughout its territory. Universality. It's a worldwide movement. How do we work? In our archipelago, the Red Cross is split in 2 provincial delegations, one in Las Palmas and the other one in Santa Cruz de Tenerife. In our province, we have several assemblies, one in El Hierro, one in La Gomera, 2 in La Palma, and 8 in Canary. Each assembly has its own area of action. In these areas, there are several ongoing projects that target different social needs. Which are these social needs? And how are they distributed? These social needs are distributed across different areas: communication, education, social intervention, the environment, employment, management organization, health, emergencies, youth, and volunteering and engagement. If you are between 16 and 17 years old, how could you cooperate with us? You could help us in the following projects. Promoción del éxito escolar, where you can help children aged between 6 and 15 who have learning difficulties at school during the afternoons. Volunteers help children with their homework. Infancia hospitalizada, where you can help children in hospital and improve their quality of life through leisure activities such as reading, board games, song contests, workshops. Ocio y tiempo libre, where you can be a leisure activities monitor for children. Training is available. All these projects give you the chance to grow, both personally and professionally. Is it possible for you to join us? Of course, any help is more than welcome. If you are 16 or 17 years old, you can help us in the youth area, and you can then volunteer in all other areas from age 18. I'm sure that helping others is the best way to be happier and improve our society. If you would like to join us, I encourage you to apply for the volunteering on the following link. Goodbye and thanks for watching.